This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about spatulas, specifically this Metlux offset spatula. It features a black handle and an 8-inch blade, and it's 12.5 inches long. So it comes in this 8-inch size and is also available in a 6 or a 10-inch size, giving you lots of different options for the size of that blade when working. It's offset for a better hand position while working that's a little more relaxed, and especially if you've got long days or big projects, it's really going to make the difference. The black plastic handle on these features a nice little hilt that gives you 2 great little finger spots there for when you're gripping it. It also features these nice little dips there that are great for when you need to rest your finger like that, right? Or underneath. So it's got a nice little ergonomic handle. It's also slimmer at the top and flares out at the end, meaning that when you're gripping it, it's got a nice feel to it. It's going to be really easy to hold on to, especially if you've got long days and you're going to be using this a lot and doing some big projects. These are perfect for decorating cakes, for smoothing out batters, especially thick ones like brownies, and getting them really even in those pans, for transferring delicate items after they've been baked to things like your cooling rack, or even moving large layers of cake. The long length on these is great for larger cakes like sheet cakes or large tiers of a wedding cake, or even for the sides of really tall cakes when you want to get that frosting really nice and smooth. These are perfect for professional use or just at home for a baking enthusiast.